The belt drive pulley ratio and center distance interactive calculator determines your belt drive system specifications quickly and accurately. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose Imperial in inches or metric in millimeters. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial. Next, choose your calculation method, either known center distance or known belt length. I'll select known center distance. Now enter your measurements. Input your driver pulley diameter D1. I'm entering 10 inches. Then your driven pulley diameter D2, also 10 inches. For center distance C, I'll enter 10 inches. The belt length L field remains empty since we selected known center distance as our calculation method. Click Calculate Belt Drive to see your results. The speed ratio shows 1000 to 1, meaning both pulleys rotate at the same speed. The calculated belt length is 51.42 inches. That's the exact belt size you'll need. Both the driver wrap angle and driven wrap angle are 180.0 degrees, indicating the belt contacts exactly half of each pulley's circumference. This calculator eliminates manual calculations and ensures accurate belt drive design. Find the link in the description below.